to give a very quick introduction and testing about the Microsoft Copilot. So Microsoft 365 is actually the next generation of the previous Office 365. It's actually Microsoft is trying to integrate the AI, generative AI, and the larger models such as like the GPT-4 into the Office, the suite, such like the Word, the PowerPoint, the Outlook, the spreadsheet, the Teams, and so on, and also the Windows 11 operation system. So Microsoft would like to position the Copilot as your everyday AI companion, which can help you to streamline and automate a lot of like daily work to actually to largely increase your working efficiency and productivity. Okay, so you might ask why it will be available. So it will be made generally available to the business customers starting from this November, 1st of November, and the company just made the announcement. So let's have some quick test what it can do for us. So I got some samples. For example, this is Elon Musk's, the talk in the summit about the future AI and the Mars. Okay, let's actually open our Word document. I just copy paste the full transcript. Let the AI to summarize this document. Okay, the Copilot is starting working. Okay, it will try to go through the whole content and context in this document, then take advantage of large language models, natural language understanding and generation ability. Now we got the executive summary. This document is a transcript of a conversation between Elon Musk and the host at the World Government Summit in Dubai. Musk talks about his life mission, his views on AI, space explorations, and future of humanity, and blah blah. Oh, sounds like a very good summary. Okay, cool. Now let's actually to move to the PowerPoint slides. Let's actually test the auto PowerPoint generation ability of the Copilot. Already prepared some question like create a 5 to 7 slides presentation about the generative AI overview, including its history, current status, trend, benefit, challenge, and the future evolution. Let's see how the Copilot can do with this. Okay, so now behind the scene, the Copilot is actually starting working on it. So try to actually to digest the user's input query and the prompt, and then based on the user's instruction, come up with the PowerPoint. Not only the content is actually following the user's instruction or any or your request, but also automatically to decide what is the PowerPoint, the images, background, colors, the styles, format, and so on. So it's actually going to be just waiting 1 or 2 minutes and it will come up. Okay, cool. Now we got the slides, and then let's play it to see how good it is. Wow, it even gives us some like very nice the background animations. Okay, now it's talking about the history of generative AI has been run since the 1940s and early development in the field of neural networks and the GAN network introductions. Nice. Current status. Okay, had advanced significantly, wide range of applications, continuous research. Nice. And the trends in general AI increased adoption across industries, integration with other emerging technologies, and the more advanced algorithm development. Nice. Okay. Benefits of general AI increase the efficiency, productivity, cost savings, improve the accuracy decision makings. Challenging AI, data privacy and security concerns need to be done by the skilled people. Cost associated with implementation, of course. Future evolution of the generative AI, continued growth and the development, increase the integration with other technology, potential for future breakthroughs and innovations. Okay, I like it. Although it's not yet perfect, but actually it gives us like the very good starting point with all these kind of the auto-generate suggested content summaries and the presentation visual effect and the styles. And definitely you can fine tuning a bit, on top of it to make it the desired pain point for your presentation. But you can see in this way, you can already save a lot of your time, and which you have to spend a lot of time to do the manual work or the create some pain point from scratch. Okay, so this is a very good point, and I can regard the Copilot as some productivity tool. Also, not only for Word document and for the pain point, so Copilot can also integrate into the spreadsheet as like some data analysis tools, and also integrate in the Outlook to auto reply the emails and also summarize the people's email content for you. So that is also available, and also like in the Teams channel to summarize the meeting transcripts and get the action points and so on. So it's many capabilities the Copilot can do for us for streamlining our office work and save our time, so we can concentrate on the more creative part of the job afterwards. Okay, just a quick introduction about the generative AI. Hope you learned something, and so see you soon next time.